Hi everyone. Good afternoon. How are you? First of all, I am introducing myself. My name is Sridevi Pramanik. My father's name is Bablu Pramanik and my mother's name is Sandhya Pramanik. I belong to Napara. I read in class A7 and my school name is Raj Global School. My favorite subject is English. I want to become a doctor. It's my aim in life. My hobbies are reading books, painting and playing game. My favorite hero is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. My favorite poet is Rabindranath Tagore. I like to travel many historical and natural places like Hazardwar and Darjeeling. My favorite game is badminton. My plus point is smart working and management of time for reading. And another things, my minus point is getting same. This is my introduction. Thanks all of you.